Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. And while you're at it, make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when I am posting. As you saw by the title, today is a Ipsy unboxing, unbagging, whatever you want to call it, covering my address. This is the package that it came in. This is my first time again receiving Ipsy, and it actually was by accident because I was signing up for it and I didn't finish the sign up, but somehow it went through, so I ended up getting it. I don't know, it was weird, but I got it yesterday. I didn't film yesterday because I was really sick yesterday. I still am. I don't know what's been going on with me. It's like ever since I started this channel, I've been really sick. Like I've been just under the weather and I don't know why, but I'm trying to get it together. Stop it, Minnie. Sorry if you can hear my dog. Oh, and I also want to apologize if you can hear my heat. It just cut off, so you can probably hear the difference now. Normally I wouldn't film with anything going, but because I've been so under the weather and so sick and I don't know what's going on with me, I need the heat to kind of sweat this out. Not that I want to be sweating on camera or anything, but I need it, so I apologize if you hear it going in and out. I know a lot of people don't like that. It doesn't really bother me when I'm watching videos, but some people don't like it. On to this unboxing. So Ipsy GLAM bag gives you a makeup bag, which this is a super cute bag. I like this. It's just nice black on this back and it says Ipsy. And it's got a ruffle. I don't care for things like this, but it's cute. The reason I don't care for things like this is because, one, my dog can get to it and she'll just tear it up, so I tend to stay away from stuff like that. But even before I got my dog, I didn't care for stuff like that just because it's weird to me. I feel like it was a waste of material, but that's just me. That's just me. So this is the bag that it comes in, and it came with this little card. It's the most wonderful time of the year, and we've got all the festive feels, from dressing up in our sparkliest looks to getting cozy by the fire with our faves. There's so much to love about this holiday season, so make your list and check it twice. Here's a few ways to help you have a gorge month. 'Tis the season to let the real you shine through. Be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. So this is the bag. Let's see what's in it. Starting with brushes, we've got two Luxie brushes, or not two Luxie brushes, but we've got two brushes. One is Luxie and the other one is, I'm guessing this says Farah 35E brush. There's nothing that's telling what stuff is or what it's for, so I'm just gonna assume that this is an eyeshadow brush, like to blend, a blending brush. And then this Luxie brush is a precision blending. It's Luxie 243 brush. Let's see how they feel. The Luxie brush is pretty firm, and I like this. The bristles are very soft, but it's firm. It's firm. So we're gonna use that today. I like this brush too. I like the shape of this brush. I'm always dropping something. I like the feel of this brush, and it's got like, that's cool. I like that. Next we have facial radiance pads. And there's 10 pads inside. Fab First Aid Beauty. Helps tone and brighten. Alcohol free, safe for sensitive skin. So I'm trying to open this. This is so hard to open. I don't know why. That's what it looks like when you open it. I'm just gonna, oh, okay. Okay, more than one came out. So they're just the little round pads. They have grooves in them. My face was, I washed it last night, not this morning. I can't really smell anything, but I don't feel like, I feel like that doesn't have a scent. But I mean, it's just to kind of clean your face, so I don't feel like it did anything special. Like I said, I cleaned my face last night, so you know, whatever dirt and stuff was on my pillow, it's here, but it's nice. I mean, I do feel a little refreshed. I don't know if it's supposed to do that, but I do feel a little refreshed. Like, I mean, I do look a little brighter too, so I don't know. We gotta throw some makeup on this. Next, we have a moisturizer from Hey Honey. I'm thinking that's the name of the brand, or maybe the brand is just called Hey, but this is Honey, and the scent Honey. This is Relax Propolis and Honey Soothing Moisturizer. Calms redness and upset skin. Well, we just cleaned our face, might as well moisturize it. I'm gonna use makeup today. I did open it, I didn't smell it or anything. Ooh. I can smell a little bit of honey. Yeah, I can. It's not harsh, it's not strong or anything. I can smell a little bit of honey. I like this product. It's not, I like the way it makes my face feel. It's not like super smooth. It's a little tacky. I like the way it feels. I like the product. What I'm not liking is the scent on my face. Like, on my face, I don't like it. It smells okay. Like, I can smell the honey. It's on my face, it smells weird. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Sorry, but I don't like it. So the last two products are actual makeup products. So I want to test those out with a full face. So I'm going to put on my makeup and my foundation, primer, skin, all that, and I will be back. Okay, now I have got my foundation on. My face is pretty much done. The next product is an eyeshadow. This is Nude Eyeshadow Ombres. Something in another language. This looks like it's another language, but it's Beach Volume 3, and it's just one eyeshadow. It's a really pretty color. It's more of a plum in person, but it looks very brown on camera. I don't know why, but it's more of a purplish color than it is brown, but it's coming off really brown on camera, and I don't know why. So we're going to try this, and I'm also going to use some other colors because this is just one single color. But yeah, we're gonna see how this works. So I'm gonna take that fair brush first, and I'm gonna dip into my 15S Artistry palette, Social Butterfly palette, and I'm going to go into a hashtag AD and put that all over my eye. So I'll say that the brush picks up color very well, so that's a good thing. I like that. So now I'm going to go into my Morphe 3502 palette. Actually, I'm gonna go in with that color. I'm gonna put this all over my lid. I like this color on me. I think it's nice. I like it on me. It's not that bad. The shadow, the product applied very well. I have to be honest, I don't like this brush. It is not fluffy enough for me to be a precise blending brush. I mean, I guess if I want to use it like that, it's pretty good, but I'll have to keep using it. Going back in with this fluffier brush, I'm just gonna blend a lighter color, just to blend that out, just to, you know. Going back in with that Luxie brush, I'm going to go into a darker color. I'm sorry I'm not telling you the exact shades that I'm using. I think I'm going to go in with Muddy. No, Toast. I'm going to go in with Toast and put that into the outer corner. And that's it for the eye look. We're just going to keep it really natural and simple, and yeah. I'm going to put on some lashes, do my eyebrows, and I will be... So I thought I wanted to do lashes, but then I used this new mascara from e.l.f. and I actually like the way my lashes look without it, since I was thinking I wanted to go more natural with this look. So we're good without it. So my opinion on this eyeshadow, it's very nice. I like the color. It's very pigmented. It's easy to work with. I had no fallout that I can see, that I noticed. So yeah, I like it. It's a thumbs up for me. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild highlighting powder. I just got this, so I really want to try it out. I'm gonna take my fan brush. This will be my first time using this. I'm really excited because I feel like it might be the same thing as the Maybelline highlighter palettes that have just come out. We will see. It's really subtle, extremely subtle. It's not blinding. It's like, hi, I'm here. I'm a little shy, but I'm here. I mean, it's buildable to do a little something, but it's definitely not. I mean, if you're not going for like a voom, it's perfect. But we ain't never going for a non-voom look. So, ain't gonna work around these parts. I mean, it is subtle. I do like it. It's not like blinding, of course, but it works. It wakes you up in the morning, you know, that kind of thing. I do like it. I will say that this is gonna go in my collection. I do like it. I know this was not in the Ipsy, but I wanted to show that because I had just got it. So on to this last product that was in the Ipsy package. It is this Sight. I don't even know if that's how you say that. Sight London Glitter Flip. It looks like it might just be a gloss, but I'm not sure. Nope, it's a lipstick. It is a lipstick. So let's see how this looks. This dries down so fast. So this dries down extremely fast. I didn't even think it was matte, to be completely honest with you. It dries down really fast. It's not like it dries to not come off though. So if you're kissing, drinking, doing anything, it will come off. So just, I guess, be careful with that. It's not sticky. There's a ton, I don't know if you guys can see that, a ton of glitter in this. I mean, depend. I feel like I inhaled something though. It's not sticky at all. It is drying, so you would need a gloss over this. I like the color. I feel like I'm inhaling something with this. I don't know. Every time I talk, I feel like I'm inhaling something with, like, I'm inhaling it. I don't know, but I feel like I'm inhaling something. I do like it. Depending on what kind of look I'm going for, I definitely would wear this. I would need some kind of liner because this color alone on me is not that great. It's not that great. It's not bad, but it's not that great. So I would need like a a darker purple to ombre this. Like that'd be perfect to ombre this with another color. My mouth is feeling weird with this on my lips. I don't know what it is. But overall, I like this package. I like this GLAM bag. It was nice. It had a cute bag that it came with, that everything came with, and it all fits in there beautifully. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, the moisturizer. It all comes in there. It fits very beautifully. So this is a perfect bag for like an overnight thing. And honestly, everything that's in here is pretty much like if you were sleeping over at a friend's or a guy's house, or if you're out later than you wanted to be and you're early in the morning, got to get up and run out or whatever, this bag and everything that's in it honestly could give you that fresh look. I mean, you would have to add a few more things like the highlighter or, you know, a little thing of, you know, you wouldn't even, if you don't mind wearing not wearing foundation, it works. But I like this. This bag is super cute. It could go in probably any purse. I think this could fit in my purse. I'm more of a small bag type person, but that's just me. I like the eyeshadow. I like the lipstick, just not by itself, and definitely not with this eyeshadow. The moisturizer, I don't like the smell of it. I like the way that it left my skin feeling, but I do not like the smell of it. I don't know why. On my skin, it smelled really strong and really weird. It wasn't a honey smell that I've smelled anymore once I put it on my face. But in the bottle, it did smell like honey, which was a beautiful scent. But as soon as I got it on my face, I didn't care for the smell anymore. So the face wipes, nothing special about them. Again, if you're out late or early or need to rush and be somewhere and need to clean up your face real quick, they're perfect for that. $10 for everything that you got. They're not full sizes, of course, but $10 is not bad. I didn't get anything telling me how much anything cost. So, but I'm assuming with this bag alone, it probably is worth the money, because this bag is probably like $3 to $5 itself. So you've taken up some money right there, and you've got like $5 to $7 left. I will link the Ipsy website down in the description. I definitely think if you are just starting and you are seriously on a budget, Ipsy is the way to go, because some of the products are really good. I don't think that they're bad products. I just don't like the scent of that moisturizer, but that's one bag. I have not received any other bags. I've never even seen any of the other bags. But yeah, so if you are really on a budget and wanting to get into makeup and you don't know if you're really into it or not, you know, like, it's that type of bag. Like, I don't know if I want to be into makeup. I don't know if I can afford makeup. Try it out. This will, I think, help you make up your mind with that. But if you want to be a little more advanced with it and you're like, yes, I definitely want to get into makeup, but I still can't afford it, go with BoxyCharm. That's my opinion. That's how I see it. If you guys like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you guys want me to do more of these videos, let me know with a thumbs up and in the comments section. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the button, and make sure you hit the bell sitting right next door to it, because if you hit the bell, you will be notified when I am posting more videos. So I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.